especially with ssam. Hi again, I'm Sarah, this is Kimchi Happy, welcome back. Today we're going to be making pamuchim, which is also known as green onion salad. So just like oi muchim, I put salad in quotes because it's not something you'd eat on its own, it's a side dish. The first thing you want to do is clean your green onions. You just want to rinse them and get any bits that aren't looking too good. And these end bits, I'm going to cut right there. And in my recipe, I call for like 7 small onions. These are huge, so that's why I'm using 4. I have this thing. This thing you can actually get at most Korean grocery stores or any Asian houseware store. And it's used in a lot of Japanese cuisine also. And what you do is we have a bowl of water here. And this is going to help with any like sliminess that has in that's in the green onion, and it's going to help take it out. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to cut this. This is the fastest way, like for sure, but I'll show you with the knife too. So what I do, let's see, easier. Okay, you just go like that, and that's it. And then once you get to the end bits, I just kind of mess up. All right, just turn it around. Ta-da! Done. And if there's bits that are large, you can just tear them apart. That's it, and then you just throw it in the water. And that'll also help keep it like fresh and help it like curl up a little bit. So, perfect. Do one more. I like to start here on the hold this end because there's not a bunch of I just keep saying bits, a bunch of bits like coming out. So I'll just do this side. I just keep going back and forth. That's it. Okay, now if you do not have one of these, it's perfectly fine. What you're gonna do is just cut it at a very, very high angle bias, and that will give you the same type of results. So it's kind of like that. So they work just as well. So instead of cutting like this, you're gonna turn your knife and almost be parallel to the green onion, and then you just cut it like that. Now I'm going to drain these and then dry them off with a paper towel. Okay, so you just want to drain these as best you can, or drain them and dry them as best you can. And we just need to add the seasonings and then we'll be done. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some sesame oil in it and just a touch of fish sauce, more vinegar, more than the fish sauce, I mean, and then some Gochugaru and sesame seeds. And the last thing is some salt, just a pinch. And you mix it all together. I think it needs some more Gochugaru, so I'm gonna go get that. And I will have all the measurements and a recipe in the description box. Don't mind my rice cooker that is cooking right now, and that is what's gurgling in the background. So this is really meant to just be an accompaniment. This is just meant to go with Korean barbecue and like a pork belly wrap or whatever you're eating it with. So it doesn't have to have be overly flavorful is what I want to say. This has a lot of flavor on its own, but you're not eating this in order to get spiciness or to get saltiness even. It's just to help give it like a little bit of crunch and a little bit of added flavor. So here you go. That's it. We made pamuchim. So it immediately will start wilting once you put the seasonings on. So if you want to make this ahead of time, what you would do is just keep those green onion slices in the water, and when you're ready, take it out, dry it, and then add the seasoning. You could also take it out of the water, dry it, and leave it in the fridge. Make sure it's in a nice cold spot, or like in the veggie crisper. All right, I'm gonna use my tongs to eat this. There's just a little bit of punch. It's really good. And because this is perfect with ssam, I'm gonna make some ssam in the next video. All right, thank you so much for coming back, and I'll see you later.